burning the butter. So you're going to notice the different colors that it's going to go ahead and change here. And then we're going to add the sage leaves and cook, stirring constantly until they're dark green and crisp. So we're trying to make sure that they get nice and hard. So that's about 1 minute. Stir in the pecans, remove from heat, season with salt, and then cover it to keep it warm. So there's about 3 ounces. It depends on how much you want to actually use for that. So we're going to bring the boil to a high heat, just until they're tender. Then we're going to see. So I mean, you can do this on a high heat just to go ahead and get it going right away. But since I have a lot of other stuff to kind of go over, I kind of had it on a lower heat just so that we can go ahead and talk through it. And then you're going to notice they're almost going to fry. So we're just trying to make sure that they get a dark green color and then just kind of crisp up.
The types of seed.
But these are still good. These are organic, so I wasn't too worried about too much of a difference. But different sages are going to give you those nice flavors. So just depending on what you want. I always like to substitute. So anytime I follow a recipe, it doesn't necessarily have to be their sage or their kind of time. Like always experiment. Make it your own, so that way, you follow the recipe, but it's more of the guideline as opposed to what you need to do. We're going to save this bowl so that way we can kind of put that mixture into there. And that way we can kind of just spoon over things and add in our salts. You can always add, you can't take it out, so just be sparingly at the beginning and then add it as needed. You see our leaves get nice and stiff. They're nice and crispy, they're not too soft anymore. Use the juices.